want to show you how well this jewelry and retainer cleaner works. I did receive it as a gift from the company so that I could show you how it works and how much I like it. So it does come with its own solution for cleaning the jewelry. And one thing that I think is really cool about this is where it plugs in is like a little stopper. So it kind of keeps debris or water or whatever out of that plug-in. So I think that's pretty cool too. So I'm going to put some water in this. I'm going to plug it in and we're going to use it. Look how gross my wedding ring looks. We are going to clean this. Okay, shake the solution and then you can put 2, 3, 4 drops in there. It does not take much. Now I'm going to put my ring in there, close the lid and hit the button on the front. And you can't hear the buzzing, but it's buzzing. It's working. Okay, it automatically shut off at 5 minutes. We're going to open this up. And hopefully you can see there's like debris floating in there. So I know that it came out of my ring. It does come with these tweezers. And take a look at that. Look how sparkly and clean that is now. Looks really great. You can do jewelry, you can do retainers, you can do eyeglasses. I just encourage you, be sure you read the manual so that you know exactly what types of jewelry and glasses and things like that you can put in here. Yeah, this is really nice. It's not too big and it worked perfectly. Thanks. Hey, if you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more product reviews of cool products like this, hit subscribe.